Hi, this is Jim from RV4x40.com. Welcome back to the channel today. We're going to go in a little bit different direction. If you followed our videos, you notice that most of the time I've got some still photography included in there as a moving slideshow. And I do that because one of the reasons I travel a lot is to take photographs, and I love being outdoors and taking a hike occasionally and being able to shoot some sights that you wouldn't normally get to see necessarily. So I've included those in the video. Well, one of my recent videos was about a workshop I took with a gentleman named Kevin Gourley. Kevin is a friend of mine from the Austin, Texas area. He has a photography studio there and does a number of workshops in the local area on photography, from basic skills to advanced skills. He also teaches remote workshops in Rocky Mountain National Park a couple of times a year. I think there's actually 4 workshops, 2 in the summer and 2 in the fall, and I attended one of those. Kevin is an excellent photographer. He's also a very great and patient teacher for those of us who are sometimes struggling with how to do photography, but he has a wealth of knowledge and is very, very willing to share that with anyone. So if you're in the Austin area or interested in taking a workshop in Rocky Mountain National Park, I would encourage you to contact Kevin. I'll put a link to his workshop website down below. What's important about this week's video was that Kevin was teaching a workshop on studio photography, and I have never done that with studio lights and actually a professional to guide me as to what to do, so I signed up for the workshop. And the interesting feature about this workshop, in addition to being a great workshop that Kevin taught, was that the model was a young deaf lady from the San Antonio area, and her name is Kaylee, and I will put a link to some of her information down below as well in the description. But Kaylee became progressively deaf as she was a young girl, and so she had to struggle with that, and of course her family has to struggle with that as well. But she is an excellent model. She put us all at ease. She did all the work. We didn't really have to do much to pose her, and I think there were some great photographs that came out of this particular session. So in part of this, I wanted to give Kaylee a shout out and give her some support for her organization. She does have a website, which is deafdreams.org, and her goal in life is to help other people who are deaf to achieve their dreams. She is currently finishing up some work at the community college in, I believe, the San Antonio area, but then her plans are to go on to Gallaudet, which is the school for the deaf in Washington, D.C., and pursue a college degree there. So we wish her the best of luck and thank her a great deal for being such a great model and allowing me to take some of these photographs for her to show you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video showing you a young girl that's out trying to achieve her dream, being a model and working in the Austin and San Antonio areas, and I think doing a very excellent job, and I think the photographs show that much more so than my skill as a photographer would allow otherwise. We hope you enjoyed this. We hope you'll come back for other videos. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, we'd appreciate it if you would do that. That does help us out. You can click on the subscribe button down below, and then click on the bell icon. That'll give you a notification when we post new videos. We try to do these every Thursday evening, travel schedule and other schedules allowing, and so we hope that you'll come back again. Also, we hope to see you somewhere as we travel around the highways and byways of America. Remember, as you drive, keep her between the ditches.